What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the CR250 build. In the last video you would have seen we got the engine all refreshed and cleaned up. So now we just need to get the frame cleaned up and we can start pretty much reassembling it, drop the motor in, and then we just got a lot of scrubbing to do, and then just like I said, just start reassembling the whole bike. First mission for today is to get this frame all cleaned up. It's pretty filthy. I gave it a quick Scotch-Brite up these panels here when the bike was all together, but obviously with the plastics and motor and everything in, I wasn't able to get to everything. So it just needs a lot of work. So this is the stuff that I'm pretty much just going to use to get it all shining. So I've just got some mag wheel cleaner, just that'll like be more for the finish and to get the stains out of the aluminium. Then just some degreaser, get all the oily spots off, some brushes and some Scotch-Brite. So yeah, we'll just go to town on this thing and get it shining. Alright, well the first thing I'm going to do is, while the frame's dry, attack it with some of this degreaser, and then can sort of let that be soaking while I'm setting up the water blaster. So I'm just going to spray pretty much the whole frame. And then we'll just let that soak for 5 or 10 minutes. Give it a bit of a scrub, like agitate the oil and stuff, and we'll just water blast it off. Alrighty, well after about an hour and a half, I'd say, of scrubbing on the CR250 frame, I've actually got it looking pretty good. So I'm pretty stoked with actually the way it's turned out. Obviously not going for a show bike, so I'm not going for every little nook and cranny. Like on these CRs, I've got like on the main frame rails, I've got parts on the back where it's cut out. I'll show it soon, but I'm not going to get in there with a toothbrush try and clean every speck of dirt out. But yeah, I'll show you guys, it actually came out pretty sweet. So yeah, here it is. So you can see, it's actually really shiny. It's obviously not perfectly, I haven't got into every little part trying to get every bit of dirt and stuff out, but like things like when the swing arm bolt goes through there, you're not actually going to see all that stuff anyway, and like all the stuff inside the bolt holes. And that was what I was talking about, how all the cutouts in the back of the frame rails, like you don't really see that stuff. Like, to be honest, from here to here is the main part you see, and then around here and stuff. So yeah, obviously I spent quite a long time getting into, I touched the whole frame with a brush and Scotch-Brite and stuff, trying to shine it up. But yeah, I'm not going to spend hours cleaning every little part. But yeah, I'd highly recommend that wheel cleaner. Came up mint. Put a real nice shine to it. So I'm not going to start tonight on the reassembly of the bike. Yeah, I'll probably come out here maybe tomorrow, and I'll start getting the motor and the frame and start piecing this bike back together. I'm chomping at the bit to get it back together. I don't know, I haven't actually been excited for a build like this for quite a while. Like the RM125 just took so long, so I sort of lost enjoyment on working on it. So I'm pretty excited to carry on working on this bike. But yeah, so once this bike's done, ridden and sold and all that, I've got something pretty sick lined up. So that's also sort of why I'm excited to get this bike done and sold and all that. So you guys are just gonna have to wait and see what that's all about. It's the night after we got the frame all cleaned up. So yeah, today I'm going to start dropping the engine in, and then get the swing arm and linkage tidied up, get the triple clamps on, and then get the forks rebuilt and get all that thrown on. You'll just see how far we get in this video. So yeah, I'll chuck you on the tripod and we'll get bolting some parts on. Right, so the engine's in. Got all the engine mounts tightened. So got the upper one, and then just that one there and that one there. So now, while it's easiest to sort of walk around it, I'm going to get all the main electrics on, like the engine and stuff. So for the actual loom, as you can see, all the tape and stuff's coming off it, so I'm just going to unwrap the whole thing and then rewrap it all nicely. See, that just looks hideous. I don't know about you guys, but I'm sure you'll agree with me that it looks so much better. So it's all wrapped up nice and all that, done every little strand. So yeah, that's looks way better. There's no just bits of like flappy bits everywhere. So yeah, now we'll get this all plugged in. Alrighty, so I'm actually thinking that's probably a good stopping point for this video. Got quite a lot done on the CR. So your next video we'll just carry on with it, and pretty stoked with the way it's turning out. I'll give you guys a bit of a look around of how it's coming along. So now that it's starting to get pieced back together, you can see how much the frame and engine has cleaned up. And we've got all the wiring and stuff on, all the wiring tidied up. We got the triple clamps cleaned up, re-greased, and then the bars and stuff on. So yeah, and we got the carby on. And I've just got all the lines tucked up under there, but they'll be routed down here in between the linkage once the swing arm and stuff goes in. So yeah, I've definitely still got a lot to go, but it's starting to take shape. So yeah, that's going to wrap up this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, go and follow me on Instagram. You just get all the behind the scenes and stuff before the YouTube videos come out. So you go and do that. The username is just motivated_NZ. So yeah, go and follow me over there. Stay on the lookout for some of the CR content. So yeah, cheers for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.